From extreme weather to threatened ways of life, the effects of climate change are real, and they're happening right now around the globe. As the Earth warms, the atmosphere contains more energy and moisture. These drive extreme weather, such as crippling heat waves, heavier rains, and more powerful hurricanes. It even causes severe drought in some places, because a warming Earth increases evaporation too, drying out some places and causing a lot more dust and particles to get in the air. In western Russia, a heat wave in the summer of 2010 brought temperatures to 100 degrees Fahrenheit for weeks, the highest temperatures in 130 years of record keeping. Other historic documents show that it was the worst heat wave in 1,000 years. The heat triggered massive forest fires that choked the capital, Moscow, with toxic smoke, killing as many as 700 people a day. Meanwhile, in western Uganda, much of the snow and ice on the highest mountains of the region have largely melted in just the last 20 years, and yearly rains that farmers here depend on have largely stopped. To grow their crops, farmers are moving their fields ever higher up the mountains, and because of warmer weather, mosquitoes, which couldn't live in the region before, are now common, bringing diseases like malaria. And in the northeastern U.S., maple syrup is in trouble. Maple syrup comes from the sugar maple, which requires consistently cold temperatures in the winter to produce syrup. As the winters warm, the harvest season for syrup has gotten shorter and shorter. Scientists predict that in a few generations, sugar maples will be gone from the U.S. entirely. As the planet warms, stories like these will become more common. Rapid climate change increases the probability that bigger storms and longer droughts and hot spells will occur every year. Plus, our basic necessities, like food and water, depend on a steady and reliable climate. Rapid climate change puts them under threat. Now, you might wonder, if rapid climate change is happening, why does it still get really cold and snow in the winter? Well, keep in mind that climate is about trends, average weather over many years. Single weather events like a cold snap or a big snow can still happen, even as the Earth's average temperature goes up and up. Colder events just get less frequent, while warmer ones get more frequent, and that's exactly what scientists have observed.